So now we're going to take a look here at the Oracle SLA. So SLA stands for Service Level Agreement, and it's a guarantee of performance, availability, manageability of the Oracle platform. And Oracle defines it as those three categories. And if none of this makes sense, don't worry, we're going to pull up the website to help understand it a bit better. So for the availability SLA, you have a 99.99% uptime for compute running in one AD region with measurements of region unavailability. We get 99.95% uptime compute in multiple FDs. Those are fault domains in a single AD availability domain. And so for the availability, when we're looking at compute, and notice it says 10 and 25, 10 and 25. That is the SLA breach. I'm not exactly sure what it means, but you need to know the numbers at least face value for the exam. So for region unavailability, you're going to see that it's 99.9%. For region unavailability, for compute, it's 99.9, but for block volumes, it's 99. And then for availability domains, unavailability at 10 and 25, we get that 99.95% and the 99, which is described up in that area above, right? Now, for some other services under availability, for object storage and fast connect, it's 99.9 and 99% for 10% and 25% respectively. You're going to see those numbers repeated. So there's just that one exception with computes that it's a bit more complicated. Now looking at the manageability SLAs, what we have here for compute block volumes and databases is 99.9 for SLA breach of 10% and 99% for SLA breach of 25%. Then for performance SLAs, for compute block volumes and database, it's 99.9% for 10% and SLA breach for 25%. So you're seeing a bit of a pattern here. So the thing I want you to remember is that if the SLA breach is 10%, with the exception of availability compute, it's going to be 99.9%. And for a breach of 25%, it's going to be 99%. So, just have that in consideration. So here I am at the Oracle website pulling up the SLA agreements, and I just wanted to show you all the numbers that I was getting that information for you there. So you can see that it's broken down by service. Then there are these measurements. We didn't cover the measurements because they're not going to be not going to show up in the exam. They're hard to remember, and all you really need to know is like what at 10% or 25%, what are the percentages that is the guarantee of uptime. But you can see here for availability, we have region unavailability, availability domains, API error rate. For manageability, it's all API error rate. For performance, it's disk IOPS and network performance. And then there are some FAQs here, which should not show up on the exam, but they are a bit interesting to read through if you are curious. But yeah, there you go. I just wanted to make sure that I could point you to this resource if you wanted to read a little bit more about it.